Hi friends, today I am soldering the motherboard of the controller of the truck, monster truck. I will solder and show how it looks and how it works. This is the water smoke. It, I have some photos to understand how to fix this all circuits. Let's solder, let's fix and see how I solder. Just solder two wires. It's complicated to solve the wire, that's why the copper are loses here. It's complicated too, that's why I'm shaded this way. Let's see and put I try my best. It's complicated to solve this one. I just solved this one. I don't think it's work or not. Just I just soldered on the batteries section. Let's see after what happens. I soldered power supply. Just battery place and see how looks it works or not. Absolutely working fine. I soldered all things. Let's see it works. Absolutely working. If I press this one, the goes will up forward and reverse. That's why I'm not pressing that one. Let's see if it's totally working. It's fine. Now and assemble and see. Soldered everything and the smoke also. Let's see how it's. Wow, it's look good. The water is on the side. Okay friends, and assemble and see what happens. I assembled everything. Let's see one full screw. After we'll see how it looks, what is the performance of this. Now all set. Just 1 second, try again. Yes. It's not working. Okay, it's all ready.